Hello guys, welcome back to Coins Tutor, your number one YouTube channel for premium education and updates. It's your boy Siminagachi here with another banger video. And on this video, we're going to be talking about how to use CoinMarketCap to do fundamental analysis. Basically we have three kinds of analysis in trading, and we have the technical analysis, we have the fundamental analysis, and we have the sentiment analysis. And on this video, we're going to be talking about fundamental analysis, how to carry out fundamental analysis of any coin using the coin market cap. Okay, when you talk about fundamental analysis, of course, you should think about what happens around the cryptocurrency at general. Okay, the macroeconomic data, news releases, whether it's positive or it's negative news releases affect the overall crypto market and the prices of cryptocurrencies entirely. But positive news releases affects positively, it makes prices to jump up in the market. So when there are major news releases that are fearful, you have negative things happening, people are actually dumping on Bitcoin, people are selling Bitcoin massively, it's going to drive price to the downside. So it's going to cause price to plummet. And when there are good news releases, BlackRock is drying up the supply of Bitcoin, institutions are pumping in funds, you're going to have positive news releases, and that's going to drive price to the upside. Okay, so that's fundamental analysis in the general sense. But then when it comes to carrying out a fundamental analysis on a specific coin, there are different platforms to do that technically. Okay, so you use these digital platforms to do them, and the key platform when we talk about doing that is the coin market cap. Now when you're doing fundamental analysis about a specific coin, not generally the crypto market, you are looking at key details of the coin, the supply metrics, you're looking at the developers behind it, you're looking at the idea, what the cryptocurrency stands for, you're looking out for the problem it's there to solve in the crypto market, you're looking at the socials, the websites, how professional it is. Then you're looking at the problem the project is going to solve in the crypto market. Is it real world asset? What problem is it solving? What solution does it bring to the crypto market? So you're looking at all of that. Is it going to be a garbage buying into this project? What is the contract address? What blockchain is it built on? Where can I buy it? What decentralized exchange is it tradable? On what centralized exchange is it tradable? All of that and more is what you look at when you're carrying out a fundamental analysis technically of a coin on the coin market cap. But before we dive into all that we have for today in this very short video, I would like to implore you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, give us thumbs up, and share the YouTube link with all of your friends and family. And that's the least you could do for us. Okay, so let's get deep into what we have. So to do your analysis on CoinMarketCap, you need to visit coinmarketcap.com, as you can see, and all these details are going to pop up. If you click on this, you're going to see some details like ranking, categories, global charts, historical snapshots, crypto ETFs, token unlocks, and all of that. Click here, you're going to see more details, exchanges, blah, blah, blah. We're not looking into all that. That's a fundamental, that's going to be in advanced course of uh, CoinMarketCap. So if you look at here, you can create an account where you do analysis and add your coins to your portfolio for easy and that's ease of reference whenever you come here to do analysis on any coin or check on your portfolio. Okay, so now when you open CoinMarketCap, you're gonna see this. Now, this is called fear and greed index. This tells you at any point in time the overall sentiment of market sentiment, right? It tells you the overall feeling, the overall mindset, what people are saying about the crypto market and what action they are actually taking based off of what people are saying, based off of major positive or negative news releases. Now, if you click this, you're going to see more details where it tells you that when the value of fear and greed index is close to zero, then the market is in extreme fear and investors have oversold irrationally. So when the value is close to 100, the market is in extreme greed, indicating a likely market correction. Okay. Now, um This actually tells you at any point in time how fearful people are or how greedy people are. If this keeps moving to the left hand side, it means people are skeptic. People are afraid of coming into the market. They're afraid of taking trades. Okay, they don't want to get into trades. Maybe for some major negative news releases or the other. But when this keeps increasing to the right hand side, it tells you how greedy people are beginning to troop into the market. They don't want to lose. They don't want to actually miss the opportunities. Oh, BlackRock is actually drying Bitcoin supply. Ethereum ETF has been approved. Institutions are coming in. Ethereum is going to hit $10,000. Bitcoin is going to hit $100,000. And major news releases are coming positively, and institutions drowning the supply. The big boys, smart money, all of them are playing big in the market, and you begin to see this one increase to the right hand side. Now, when all of that begins to happen, the greed increases to the right, and it shows you how greedy people are in the market at that specific time. Okay. Now, this also helps you to follow the rule in the crypto market where we say sell the news or the highs and then buy the rumor or the lows. Now, when this is actually to the left hand side, the market is definitely going to be red. Everybody is feuding. Everybody is uncertain. Everybody is scared of coming into the market. That is when you should be looking at buying. But when this is at the right hand side where everybody is jumping in, oh, Bitcoin is at $100,000, Ethereum is at $10,000, everybody is trooping into the market. That's when you should look at selling your portfolios to take profit, because then there's going to be major positive news releases. The noise is going to be everywhere. That's when you should be selling, because fear and greed index is going to increase to the right hand side higher. Okay, so having said all of that, I want to dive deeper into what we have for today. Now, we're going to look at how to analyze a coin. Okay, now, how to analyze a coin? The first thing you do is to actually type the name of the coin here, or you have the contract address. You can also search it. Now, usually, if you know the ticker, TICKER, the ticker, the short form of the coin, you can actually, this is where to type it. Okay, so I prefer typing ticker. We want to look at Ethereum. So, I'm going to type ETH and it pops up. So, when Ethereum pops up like this, we are going to see a lot of details about it. So we want to analyze Ethereum, and you're going to see how to analyze a coin using CoinMarketCap. Okay, the moment you type the name of a coin and it opens up like this, the first things you're going to look at is the supply metrics. Metrics is spelled as metrics, so metrics. So you're going to look at the supply metrics. The supply metrics is the details about the total supply, max supply, and circulating supply. Now, if you look at any coin where you see this kind of symbol, this symbol like that looks like inverted horizontal eight. This means infinity. So we are talking about supply metrics of a coin now, right? This means infinity. Now, the max supply. Before I talk about infinity, I almost forgot to talk about that. When you look at total supply, circulating supply, max supply, three of them mean different things. Now, the circulating supply of a cryptocurrency is the amount of coins that are circulating in the market and are in public hands. Everything that has been sent already, and people are holding it in their wallets, whether in centralized exchanges or in decentralized exchanges, custodial wallet or in non-custodial wallet. Everything, the sum total of everything people are holding on Ethereum that is circulating in people's hands is what we refer to as circulating supply. So it's analogous to the flowing of shares in the stock market. So let's leave that. So that's circulating supply. Everything people are holding It doesn't matter where they are holding it, whether in hot wallets, in cold wallets, in centralized exchanges, in decentralized exchanges, wherever they are holding it, custodial wallets, non-custodial wallets, everything people are holding that is in the hands of people is what we call circulating supply. So the total supply of any coin or crypto is the total amount of coins that have been created already. It has been created, it is existing, the team have already created it, and that amount is existing. That is what we refer to as total supply. So CoinMarketCap says that total supply is coins created, okay, coins that have been burned, if any. It's total coins created minus coins that have been burnt. That's what CoinMarketCap describes total supply as. And it's actually everything, just in a layman's language, everything that has been created in that project that is existing, then minus every unit of coins that have been burnt. Just in case you don't understand what burning means, burning is a mechanism used to reduce or shrink the supply of a token or a coin. Burning happens when the developer of a cryptocurrency or the community by any means send some unit of that token to a dead wallet where it's going to be locked and gone forever. So that is what burning means. So it reduces when tokens are burnt, when cryptocurrencies are burnt, it reduces the total supply and the circulating supply. Okay. Now let's talk about the max supply. Now, max supply in any project means the total number of coins that can ever be created. That means max supply when you're looking at coins on CoinMarketCap could either be available or not available. So if the team behind this project supplies max supply on their coin metrics, if they didn't supply max supply to coin market cap, then max supply is not going to be showing here. Okay. But if they supplied max supply metrics to coin market cap team as at the time it was getting listed, max supply details are going to show here. So max supply necessarily doesn't have to exist. As in the case of total supply tells you these are the coins, all the coins have been created already, they are in existence. But max supply is saying this is a total number of coins that will ever exist. So is the max, this is the cap. There's nothing that would ever make the team to mint above this unit of coins showing here. So forever and ever, this is the maximum supply this project can ever have. So that's what max supply means. Now let me go back to what I was about explaining. Now let me just break it down further. I have a very simplified way of teaching. Yeah. So if you have your circulating supply in a project and there is no total supply showing, it doesn't mean there is no total supply already pre-existing before they listed on CoinMarketCap. It simply means that CoinMarketCap team have not verified the total supply, or probably the team did not submit the CoinMarketCap. Sorry, guys. Probably the team did not submit the total supply of the project to CoinMarketCap, so you will not be able to see it. And that's not a good metric. I don't like projects that don't have their total supply displayed on CoinMarketCap. Okay, they may have their reasons. They may have their reasons actually, but I don't just like it. Okay, now if you now look at circulating supply, sorry, if you now look at max supply and it's showing, I'm having distractions here. Okay, so if you now look at max supply and it's actually showing, is a good thing. But if it is not showing, it's not totally bad. Some projects might sometime just have this one not showing for some reasons, one reason or the other. It doesn't matter. But then when a project which is not big, Ethereum is big, so I'm not going to worry about this. This symbol here is what I wanted to explain before. This symbol here means infinity. Okay, infinity means they can mint more tokens as much as possible, as many as they want in the future. Okay, they can mint as many as they want in the future. If it is a small project, I look at it and I see this, I'm gonna run away. I don't want it because this team can wake up now. The circulating supply, the total supply is 120 million. Okay, then the circulating supply is 120 million. So these guys could wake up and print a billion units of Ethereum one day. That's what it means. That's what it means. But then you and I know that Ethereum is a big project. So I'm not going to be scared of this because it's a big project. Then okay, so that's having said all that, let me now unite these three together. When you look at max supply, circulating supply, total supply, the summary of all is that this one is the ones are in the hands of people already. This one is what they've created already, which is existing. This one is what will ever be created. So what happens to the coin metrics of a coin if tokens are locked? For instance, you know Pixelverse. Those of you who did Pixelverse airdrop, those of you who did not AI airdrop, you know they did not give all the allocations out. They tied up the allocations of some persons. They said we are going to pay in certain period of time. So that is called vesting, where project releases the allocation gradually to avoid price dumping to hell or to avoid inflation. Okay, so what happens if some units of the tokens are locked or some units of the tokens are burnt? Now, if units of the tokens are locked or burnt, let's start with circulating supply. All the tokens that are locked or burned, all the tokens that are locked won't show up on circulating supply. The only thing that will show up here are the ones that people are holding. Now, all the tokens that are burnt would reduce the circulating supply and also reduce the total supply. That means when tokens are burnt, right, it reflects here and reflects here. It reduces this number and it reduces this number, but it never reduces max supply. Then when tokens are locked, it is actually locked here. The lock this includes every token that are in circulations, the ones that are locked by maybe the project team, airdroppers, team allocation, any other kind of allocations. The ones that are locked, they are not released at once. They are released by way of vesting. All of them, you're going to see it here. The ones that only are in existence and in circulation, this is where you are going to see it. But both the burning and the ones that are locked, you are not going to see it reflected. This one remains constant. Okay, this is always going to remain constant. I think I've done enough justice to the supply metrics of any coin. Okay, so let's look at a coin that actually has all the supply showing. So I think we have Raj. Okay, Rajan is gonna be so the zeros are gonna be too big. So let's look at Sunverse. Okay, so looking at Sunverse, there is something you can actually see here. You can see that we have total supply, we have max supply showing. Can you see that? Now you have circulating supply showing, and three of them are not looking the same. Now I'm going to explain this to you. See what it means. This is 1 billion units of Sunverse. This means the total supply the max supply that will ever exist. There's nothing that will make them print above 1 billion Sunverse tokens. Okay. So this is the total supply, 610 million. And this is a self-reporting circulating supply. It is actually not verified. When the circulating supply of a token is verified, this place is going to turn blue. But this is not blue because it's not been verified by Coin Market Cap team. Is that right? So let's do a little explanation here. So 310 million Sunverse is what is in the hands of people actually. Now, if you're looking at this, there are no tokens locked, right? This is actually going to be if all the tokens are released and then there are not tokens locked, this would have been the same unit with this place. But because they're actually tokens that have been locked or tokens that have not been released completely, that is why this place is bigger than this place. Okay. Now, if you now have a situation where the project, the max supply is equal to the total supply and equal to the circulating supply, it simply means that there are no tokens that have been locked, there are no tokens that have been burnt. And usually that kind of supply matrix is very healthy. Okay. Now, but the most healthy supply metrics I just like is where I have this one different, this one is fine, and then this one and this one are the same but lower than this one. Do you know what that means? There's max supply showing, which is transparent, showing you that the team is telling us that this is the maximum they can ever print in this project. Now, if this and this are the same figure, is showing you that there are no tokens that are locked anywhere. This token is not experiencing any kind of vesting. Okay, there is no vesting anywhere, and the since these two and these two are not equal, this is higher than them. It means that some tokens, some unit of the tokens have actually been probably burnt. Okay, so that is what it means. And if you're looking at that, it's going to give you an edge to say this project is a strong project. Where it becomes even stronger is if the circulating supply is being verified by coin market cap team. So let's look at one more project. I hope this thing is getting into your mind. So let's look at one more project. Fine. So we look at Fine and see what Fine has for us. I think I'm not explaining. I hope I'm not explaining too much. So I don't want this video to be more than 30 minutes. But then you are a newbie. You need to understand this thing. So you know the dynamics. You know the difference when because you're going to search different coins and this supply metrics are not going to be the same with what I used to teach you. So that's why I'm bringing varieties for you to understand what they all means when you see them. So if you look at this coin, fine, this is a meme coin. The max supply is equal to the total supply and equal to the self-reporting supply. So the supply metrics all around is 100%. None is above any. What this tells you is that all the coin that would ever be minted has been minted already, and that's why the total supply is equal to the max supply. And then the circulating supply is equal to total supply, telling you that no units of coins are locked anywhere. And then no units of coins have been burnt at all. Probably they've actually done some burning, but CoinMarketCap has not updated their supply metrics data. It's fine. But for now, what we are seeing, that's what it means. So you understand this. So I think supply metrics, I've explained it enough. You should be able to understand what it means. So let's move on to the next thing when you're looking at a crypto project. Now, when you're looking at a crypto project, you look at what we call contracts. Now, contract simply tells you the blockchain that a crypto project exists or is built on, or it can be different, it can be multiple blockchains, it can be one blockchain. But before we look at that, there's something I want to show us more. Okay, just one more thing. So I want to show you what it looks like when the circulating supply of a project is verified. This is Omikami, my number one meme coin. Of all the meme coins in the market, this is my number one. I'm not going to tell you why. We are not in analysis class. When we get to Dex tools and Dex screener, I'm going to talk more about that. Okay, so the total supply of this coin is 1 billion Omikami. Sorry, the max supply. That's the maximum supply that can ever be printed. The total supply is 999.4 million, and that this one is the circulating supply is 946. Blah blah blah. So it means there are some tokens that are locked here, probably charity, community, a team, something. There are some tokens that are locked, just very little. You can see that this is very little. So project that this and this are almost the same is a very strong project. I mean, very, very strong. This almost the same. This almost the same. They are very strong. But this is how what brought us here. This blue tick shows you that any token that has this is verified. The circulating supply is verified by coin market cap team. So let me wrap up the supply metrics. In any project I'm looking at, right? I want this and this possibly possible to be the same. The stronger projects are the projects that their max supply um, uh, details are showing, right? And then the total supply and the circulating supply are the same value. If not the same, if they are not the same, at least they should be very close to each other. You can see this is 999 million, this is 946 million. They are very close in value, and that's good. Do you know what that tells you? It tells you that there is no much tokens locked. Because if there are much tokens locked, it means that in the future, these tokens are going to be released into the market, and that would definitely cause inflation. Why? Okay, that would definitely cause in inflation. Pixelverse. I want to look at Pixelverse. Why is my network becoming poor? You can see this kind of bad supply metrics. I deliberately brought it up. These bad guys, these guys that farmed farmers in airdrop. You can see this is really bad. Now, the max supply of this project is 1 billion pixel, right? The total supply is 1 billion pixel equal to this. So this is what will ever be in existence. And they're now telling you that what will ever be in existence has been printed completely already. That's why we have this and this equal, right? So self-reporting circulating supply is 22.6 million out of 1 billion. What does that tell you? It tells you that the unit of tokens are locked. It's just so big, so big. Over 170 something, over 970 something million coins are locked. Do you know what that means? If you buy into this kind of project and eventually they begin to release those coins that are locked, the price of this coin is going to dump to hell, and you're going to the holders are going to experience inflation, right? And it's going to affect the price of your portfolio. It doesn't matter whether you bought it with a $10,000 or 20 or 50,000, it could become zero. That's what it means. So in all you do, I know I took time to explain the supply metrics. Not everybody understands it. Even some advanced traders don't understand it very well. So this is very, very important. So you want to have this very close to this in any project before you can say this project is big and transparent. I'm not saying that projects that have large gap between this and this are not transparent. They may have their reasons. There are so many reasons for that, but I don't want to trade that kind of projects. I can't call it my number one. Okay. So let's get back to what we're saying. So let's get back to, let's say, Omikami. So in Omikami is a meme coin, right? So we're talking about contracts now. So we've devoted all our time talking about the supply metrics of a coin. Now, coin contracts, when you're looking at coin contract, you're looking at where the coin has the project, the blockchain it has been built on, or the blockchain it exists. Omikami actually exists on only one blockchain. Now you're gonna see the symbol of the blockchain it's built on here. This is a symbol of Ethereum, or the logo, if you will, of Ethereum. So this is a contract address of Omikami. So to copy the contract address of any token, you need to click on this place. You see this thing, you click on it. When you click on it, you've copied the contract address. You're going to be able to use it to trade on decentralized wall exchanges via non-custodial wallets, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Tonekeeper, Soulflare, Phantom, OKEx, BitGet, Web3 wallets, and all of that. So that's what you do with contract address. So if you want to copy contract address of any token, you are gonna come down here, all right, and then click on this and copy it. Then if you have a coin, which is this one is called a unichain, right? This project is a unichain, is on one chain, is built on one blockchain. There are coins that are omni chains or multi chains. So let me bring a coin that is an omni chain, any inu. You see where I'm typing the name of the coin. So this is any inu. If you bring up a coin that is built on different blockchain, like a coin that has multi chains, you are going to see different chains on which it exists. You can see the supply metrics of this coin. The max supply isn't showing, but then the total supply and the circulating supply are the same. What does it tell you? It tells you that there are no tokens locked anywhere. This is huge, guys. This is huge. Very huge one. Okay. But then the maximum supply is not showing. There's something that I forgot to tell you. You see this thing that's showing dot dot like this. It means the team of this project did not supply the maximum supply to the coin market cap team, but then it does not have infinity maximum supply, just that they did not supply it. So let's get back to what we're talking about. We're talking about contracts. So the first blockchain this token was ever built on is on the Ethereum blockchain. You can see the logo. Now, if you ever look at the contract of any token, and to the right, you see this small arrow down, you see something like this. It tells you that there are multiple chains on which this project has been built on. So it has multiple contracts. So when you click on it, it's going to show you other contracts to which it belongs. So these are the contracts. It's on Base, it's on Arbitron, it's on Binance Smart Chain, it's on Phantom, it's on Polygon, it's on Optimism, it's on Avalanche Chain, it's on Solana. There are other chains that it's now existing on. Okay. And then that's a very good project. So multiple chains are very good projects. When you have a project that exists on different blockchains, that project is huge, is big. That's one of the ways to know a project that is good. Okay, the team is strong. They are building strongly. They are building consistently. So that is the contract. How to check contract address of any token. So if I say, for instance, I tell you go and buy any inu, right? Go and buy any inu, and I tell you buy on the Solana blockchain. When you're looking at this, you already see that this is the Ethereum logo. So this is the Ethereum contract. You are not going to copy this Ethereum contract to buy. You are going to have to click this and then scroll down until you see the Solana blockchain. This is Solana's logo. This is the name. So this is a Solana contract. You now come here, click here and copy it. Then go to Soulflare or Phantom Wallet or any kind of you know um, non-custodial wallet and buy via jupe.org or Radium, or you buy with Bongbot. So if I say buy on Binance Smart Chain network or blockchain, you come here and copy. If I say buy on Base network, you just come here and copy the Base contract address. So buy. That's how to copy contract address of any token, guys. I hope you're enjoying this lecture. Okay, so having said all that, we're going back to supply metrics. I wanted to talk about something different before we go back to supply metrics and how to calculate market cap. So this brings us to how to calculate market cap and uh, fully diluted value. So when you want to calculate market cap of any token, right? The formula is going to be circulating supply multiplied by current market cap. Now, if you look at, let me bring a token that doesn't have much zeros. Omikami is good for us. So if you look at Omikami, The moment you open a coin, right? The moment you open a coin, this thing showing here is actually the current market price. Okay. Now to look at the current market price also, but statistically, if you want, you can actually click here. See where my button is, my cursor is pointed to. When you click on it, you're going to see it statistically represented. So the statistically is pointing to 21 million. Okay, 21.2 million market cap. So let's get back to price. If you switch here to price, the price of the coin is going to be showing in chart for those of you who do technical analysis. And if you click here, it's going to be on the candlestick pattern of chart. You click here, it's going to be on the line chart. But that's not part of what we're doing in this video. That one is for technical analysis analysts. Okay, so let's get back. So if you're now looking at, if you're looking at the total supply, circulating supply, max supply, to calculate the market cap of this token Omikami, you're going to take the total supply, right, and multiply it by current market price. Now the current market price is this 0.224. Now the circulating supply is 946 million point 98 million. You're going to be very accurate, so let's do that, and then we know the market cap, whether it's going to tally with what we have. Okay, so circulating supply is 946 million. 946 million point 98 million. Then, sorry, what am I typing? I just put it the way they put it there. 946 million, then 098. Okay, point nine. Why am I adding zero? 946 million 980, right? 000. That's what 946.9 means. So we now do multiply this by current market price, which is 0.0224. So what do we have here? We have 2.2 million dollars market cap. And what do we have here? Does it correspond? Yes, we have 21.2 million, sorry. And here we also have 21.2 million. So that's how to calculate market cap of any project. Now there's something called fully diluted value. Let me close this. So there's something called fully diluted value. Fully diluted value, the formula for calculating it is price times max supply, or if the max supply of the token is not displayed, you can do price times total supply. Okay, it's even explained. They say if max supply is null, that's not displayed, then you can now say fully diluted value. The formula will now be price times total supply. Yeah, so that's it. Basically, let's assume that we want to get the fully diluted value of this token, and we assuming that this is not showing, we'll just do this one total supply times this one. So let's pull up our calculator. So what we have is 999,480, then 000, of course, then multiplied by 0.224, 0.0224. So you're gonna have $22.3 million. So let's look at the fully diluted market cap here if we actually correct. Now this is $22.4 million market cap. Market actually fluctuates, so it can actually change even while you are calculating. But let's cross check what we did. Is 999, okay, 0.48, okay, right, multiply by 0.00, so 0.0224. Yes, so it's actually very correct, and this is our answer. The total value, the total diluted value for Omikami currently is 22.3 million. This is actually not corresponding because of volatility, okay, currently. So that's how to calculate the market cap of any token or the fully diluted value of any token. Alternatively, since we have the max supply showing, we can also do max supply, which is 1 billion. And that's the reason why it wouldn't, that our answer then didn't correspond accurately with fully diluted value as it's showing here, because the max supply is showing. So in the case where max supply is showing, you're supposed to use max supply instead of total supply. Okay, so max supply multiplied by 0.0224. So you're gonna have 22.4 million, which is the actual value here. But in the case where there's no max supply, you did this total supply multiplied by market cap, and is not really accurate. Maybe you have some figures away from what is showing on coin market cap. It means there's actually volatility has shifted price as at the time from different from when you were calculating and all that. Okay, so you can see how to calculate market cap and fully diluted value of any token. Now, why do you want to calculate market cap and fully diluted value of any token? Is because when we talk about, I'm going to dedicate a video, just 5 minutes video, to talk more about that. I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long. Or should I even go ahead? Are you saying I should go ahead? Okay, so let me do a little justice to that. When you have holdings in your portfolio, some of you, especially when you come into, okay, let me leave it. Let me leave it. But just know that market cap determines the value of what you are holding. I'm going to just dedicate a video to that. Okay. So let's go over to the next thing we have for our market cap tutorial. Now, when you have looked at a coin, you've looked at the metrics, you've looked at the volume. This volume, I had explained it in basics, so let me just talk to you about it again. Volume means the overall liquidity or money or capital or trading activity that has happened to a crypto project within a specific period of time. Okay, so if you're looking at this volume, it's showing it. You can see that this is what happened in the past 24 hours. So in the past 24 hours, 289,000.1 dollars has actually been in and out of Omikami token. So it doesn't matter whether people bought Omikami and sold or not. What means is the flow, inflow and outflow of money that has happened on this coin in the past 24 hours. So the total value is 289,000, and it's showing you in percentage that it had increase in volume, 49% increase in volume in the past 24 hours. If you click on this arrow, it's going to show you, divide this volume into two and tell you that on centralized exchanges, this is the volume that happened. And then on decentralized exchanges, this is the volume that Omikami received. And volumes are actually very, very important for the health of any tokens. So there is a little course where I'm going to have where you divide volume with market cap, divide liquidity with market cap, and all of that. Just subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick around for that video. I'm going to just flesh that out more, but just know that the higher the volume for any project, the better. The lower the volume, the bad. Okay, so let's go over to the next thing. When you've now searched, type the name of a token, it pops up. You've seen the, what is it called? The market, the supply metrics. You've seen the market capitalization. You've done the calculations. You've actually seen the contracts, the project, like the blockchains where the project has been built and where it exists. The next thing you could actually do is click on the website to see what the website looks like. When you click on this place, it's going to take you to the Twitter page of that project. As you can see, I'm going to explain the effect of all this in a course where I call DYOR, what it means to do your own research. This is just a course on how to use market cap. So it was able to bring us to the Twitter page of Omikami, and this is what we can see. So let's go back to Coin Market Cap. So back to Coin Market Cap, this is the website. If you click here, it's going to take you to the website of Omikami, and you'll be able to see what it actually looks like. Okay. So this is a website of Omikami, very rich, very expensive, very professional website. So that's the website. If you click on this place, it's going to take you to the Telegram community. And that would be it for that one. Then if you click on this place, it's going to take you to Etherscan, where you see on Etherscan details about Omikami, but we're not going to do that. This is a course about coin market cap. So another thing you want to look at when you type the name of a token and you've actually looked at all this is the all-time high and all-time low. Now, this is the all-time high. So this all-time high simply shows you the highest price this has ever gotten to. Okay. Then all-time low shows you the lowest that this price, this coin has ever gotten to. That is as at the time, from the time it has been listed on coin market cap. This is not saying since this project was built, because we saw this token when it was trading at 0.0002. That's when it was at 200,000 market cap. That was when we met Omikami. Then it was not listed on CoinMarketCap. It wasn't on CoinGecko. It wasn't on any central. The price was not listed on any non-custodial wallet like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and all of that. Okay, so that's how to look at all that. Another thing you want to look at is where the token is being traded. Now, tomorrow I don't want to give you a token to buy and you now come back to me and tell me, Simeon, where should I buy this token? It's gonna be irritating. You know why? Because I'm showing you that now. So when you search the name of a token, you looked at all of that, you can click on markets. When you click on market, it's going to show you where you can buy this token. Now, when you click on market, you can further specify, narrow it down to either checking the centralized exchanges where this can be traded or the decentralized exchanges where this token can be traded. So I like to filter it. I click on CEX. So it's telling me that I can buy Omikami on IndoX centralized exchange, or I can buy it on Vindax centralized exchange. Now, if I click on DEX, it's telling me that I can buy Omikami on Uniswap. Now, remember when we did a course on how to take ETH-based tokens, I told you that for any token that are tradable on Uniswap, as far as you're trading with phone, don't try to trade them with MetaMask or Trust Wallet because you're not going to be able to access uniswap.org. Currently, that's the way it is, but some phones are able to access it anyway. So if you come here, look at DEX and it's trading on Uniswap and you want to trade it, simply download Uniswap wallet, non-custodial wallet, fund it with Ethereum. Then what do? I taught you, come here, copy the contract address, go to Uniswap, use it to buy that token. Okay, so that's how to look at the market where tokens could be bought. Is there any more thing I need to tell you on this basics course? Is there any more thing? Okay, this one is for charts for advanced traders and all that. So about the coin, you can click about to read more about the coin, the team behind it, the problem it is here to solve in the crypto market. Coins that are similar to Amikami. Okay, you can actually click on them to see news releases about Omikami. You can actually click on all of that. Then rating. Now this also is very important. You see this thing. This thing is number like listing, ranking on coin market cap. The lower the ranking, the lower the number on the ranking, the better for the project. There was a time Omikami was on the for ranking, it was at 4,000. There was a time it got to almost 5,000. So it takes a lot of things to happen to a project for the ranking to begin to reduce, and it comes up and comes up. Like if you look at the overall market, Bitcoin is ranked as number one, Ethereum is ranked as number two. So the higher, the less the ranking, like the less the number for the ranking, the better for the project. Okay. And that is what these are the things you want to look out for when you come to coin market cap. This video is already 50 minutes, But then it's good. I think you've gotten value. You've seen all you need to see about coin market cap. Let me show you one more thing just in 1 minute. Just in a minute. Um Not AI. Okay, so let's say you want to buy Not coin. Right, so you click Not. I typed Not because that's a ticker for Not coin. So Not coin, the supply, when you look at the supply metrics, so when you look at the supply metrics, the uh, total supply is 102 billion point four. 102.4 billion, and the circulating supply is 102.4 billion. You can see how sweet, how good the supply metrics of this coin is. This is equivalent to this, or if you will, equal to this, and that tells you that there are no tokens that are locked. This is how neat, this is how good projects, this is how their supply metrics should look. Not like some wicked projects where you have a billion coins for total supply, and you're having 22 million god for circulating supply. And then when the tokens are locked up for vesting, are now when they begin to release them, inflation takes place, and people begin to cry, oh, my money was $20,000, now it's below $1,000. That's what happens when you buy a token that has marks of the units actually locked. Okay, in the next video, we're going to be talking about how to calculate. We've done how to calculate market cap. I'm going to relate it with real life holding of your portfolio, and then how to calculate profit, and how to calculate when you have some money to buy, you know, the price of the token, how much can this your money buy for you. We're going to do all of that in the next video. Don't forget to stick around with us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You know, we can always we'll always bring you very wonderful videos your way, and you don't want to miss all of that. This channel is meant for crypto education. I mean, premium world class crypto education and crypto updates. It's about Simunagachi saying, have a very wonderful day. I love you all, guys. Don't forget to give us thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow our social media, like our WhatsApp channel, if you will. I think I'm going to drop the link in the description below. Thank you all, guys, for watching. I love you. Have a very wonderful day. Bye.